So check it out. Here I've got a Marx 1998 alco switcher in Union Pacific colors, and it had a little chip back here, so I repaired that and put a little Harbor Mist Gray polyscale paint, just touched it up. I don't see this very often. It's a translucent color, so rather than use it for a custom paint, I wanted to keep it original. Inside there's the rattler, the diesel roar, and it also has traction tires. I'm not sure if that came that way, but that's the motor that I put in it. So we're going to take it for a spin. Because it has the traction tires, it can pull quite a train. So here we go. I know many people don't like the vintage train sounds, but I do. I like the diesel roar. One other thing. This Great Northern boxcar was produced by K-Line, but it was out of a Marx mold. So I put Marx trucks on it. It's actually, when K-Line made it, they made it in S scale, but it's still the same size as the others. K-Line used a few cars I see to make S scale cars. They used the caboose. I've seen some tank cars that are S scale. So it's pretty cool. It's actually a K-Line, I think, did a really nice job on it. And it goes along with my other Great Northern cars. So here we go. All right, runs really good. I haven't had it out in a while. I gave it some lubrication, made sure the wheels were cleaned up. So thanks again for watching. God bless, and never forget Jesus is Lord.